What's up, guys? I'm gonna try to see if I could one piece this big window over here by myself. I'm doing a 48-inch band. I've done this with other films. I haven't done this with Dusted Crystal just because I don't want to mess up a piece, you know? But we're gonna find out today. Do you guys know anything about like Dusted Crystal? It's one of the harder films to install because of how hard it is to get it off the liner. I already prepped this film, so hopefully I don't mess up. And if I do, you guys can make fun of me. I'm gonna stick it to the frame and try to pull the liner off as I walk that way. So you have to be really careful. I really hope I don't mess up this piece because we don't have enough film to redo this if I have to. So now I haven't wet this yet. I'm gonna tack it to my frame over here. Yeah, so it's really tacky. That's a good thing. I need this to stick really well because I'm gonna use this tension to get the whole liner off. Okay, so now it's stuck to the frame here. I'm gonna do a little by little. I'm gonna wet it every so often. I gotta make sure it's really wet because this isn't the lineup that I want right now. Right now I'm just trying to get the film on the glass. Then I'm gonna line it up. Which now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably not a good idea lining up a really big piece like this. Alright, so halfway there. Okay. If this falls from that side right now, I'm screwed. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so that's the hard part, supposedly. The backup has arrived. Over here, all these little water things I have to get out. Just massaging it out because this is really stretchy film. And I actually made this look pretty easy. And it actually is, but this film, if you just squeegee it wrong and your squeegee gets stuck, it'll rip the film. So I want to make sure that there's no chance of that happening. So first, I'm gonna make sure all this stuff comes out with my hand before I hit it with the squeegee. And I'm not even gonna use my regular power squeegee. I'm just gonna use my black cleaning squeegee because that's the softest